Well, this is KC9VKV and our QSO-VLOG program, and I don't know how to put this, but I have some more bad news. Unfortunately, our last program also failed to record. This is for my group AIRCHECK 8219. Now you might recall that we had our first failure on the 7/26/19 QSO-VLOG program because we had a major power outage which at 4:55, which caused the computer to crash and damaged our video file, obviously now beyond repair. So then our recovery program on 8/2/19, well, I'm not sure exactly what happened, but at the end of the video recording, there was no file. Now, I'm not saying that the computer failed, but it could be that those programs, the video recorder programs, the video recorder program is embedded within two other programs. It is not a standalone video recorder program. So for some reason it could have been damaged in the original power outage. We have reprogrammed those programs, and hopefully now everything is working correctly. But I do have that bad information that the AIRCHECK of 8/2/19 was also a no-go. And so I think we're going to have a pop-up AIRCHECK pre-program, pre-event to check out, to make sure that everything is copacetic. We did record the Dear John letter, obviously from the 7/26/19 failure. We did a Dear John apologizing for that one, so we thought that the actual recorder program was all right, but we're not sure now. So what we will have is some kind of a pop-up AIRCHECK for about an hour and a half, and just make sure that this thing is functioning correctly. So again, I apologize. Two dead soldiers in a row. That's not a good picture. On our behalf, I have stated before that we did have 3 years with no failures, and now we've had 2 failures right in a row. So we'll have to just see where it goes. I apologize, and we'll catch you later. We'll catch you Friday between 3:30 and 5. Hopefully, and we'll try one more time. 3 strikes and you're out. KC9VKV is clear.